Huyton railway station was opened in 1830 on the Liverpool and Manchester Railway and is one of the oldest passenger railway stations in the world. These early intermediate stations were little more than halts, usually where the railway crossed by a road or a turnpike. This probably accounts for the variations in the names. Huyton station was probably known as Huyton Lane Gate, and then Huyton Lane by 1839, and finally Huyton in 1852. The oldest surviving station buildings from the LNWR period. Until the 1970s, Huyton Station was 4 platforms, but 2 on the northern side of the station, platforms 3 and 4 were closed, and the track lifted. Almost £1 million was spent modernising the station in 2010. The works included a canopy on platform 1, a waiting shelter on platform 2, and a disability-compliant toilet was installed. Improvements including updating the subway to provide better lighting, state-of-the-art CCTV, and new seating areas. In the Liverpool-Manchester line electrification scheme, platform 3 was brought back into use, but in time for December 2014 timetable change. The station's signal box, which controlled the line between Roby and Rain Hill, the Earlstown line, Prescott, the Wigan line, was closed and demolished, and its associating re-signalling scheme. The last used semaphore signals that control it were removed in September 2012. Electrification had been in place since March 2015. Platform 4 was reinstated, also to improve connections with the Liverpool and Manchester line and the Wigan line electrification in 2015. So let's get started here at Huyton with 323-236. Departing 20 minutes late with the 1410 Northern service and crew to Liverpool Lime Street. Next to arrive at the station is 319-379, with the 1441 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Crewe via Manchester Airport. Whilst we have a sit down on the wall, passing through 19 minutes early is 66-170, working 4 Sierra 38 from Seaforth CT to Moss End Downyard. And coming in the opposite direction of the Transpennine Express is 802-217, working 9 Mike 24 from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. Over on the far side is 319-3803. Working the 1500 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Wigan North Western. Departing at the same time is 319-370 and 331-006 and 331-024. Working the 15.0 1509 Northern service from Crewe to Liverpool Lime Street and the 1508 Northern service from Blackpool North to Liverpool Lime Street, respectively. And here comes our train in the form of 331016 and 331007, working the 1521 Northern service from Wigan North Western to Liverpool Lime Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.